Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is the Angry Scotsman's channel. Figured I'd give you a little bit of an update of what I've been doing in the last week or so. The shed is all moved in now. Been moving it from my 8x8 or less than 8x8 storage down in the garage. So here's where we're sitting right now. We've got a lock on the door. We've got all the interior crap done. And then we've used every ounce of the old fence and fence board and all sorts of stuff. The big pile is missing. Still got to do the gate, so that stupid thing over there, and then trim off the eaves trough there. I think that's going to be a later date project. But yeah, every ounce of the fence board went back on there, so it looks like I still have a fence from a distance. And then 90%, except for that pile on chairs, my camper flush tank, these two things, and the coolers all ended up in here. So we've got battery cables and all sorts of other miscellaneous crap for my cars. Cleaned out most of the garage as well. I'm gonna do some spring cleaning at the same time. So there's all that, and then extension cords, miscellaneous wires, more miscellaneous shite, and then all the boards that I've accumulated over the years, propane tanks. And it's not how you get things in here, it's how you stack crap. You got it hanging, I got shelf, and the snowblower sitting underneath there. It does work, but it won't chuck snow. Generator, gas for those, for my Bunsen burner, and then spare tires for my truck and my winter tires for my car. I have been packing crap in here for the last, two hairs press a freckle, about 20 hours or so. Started last night packing crap in here. This is 9.5 by 8 3/8 or something like that. A lot more room than I started with. But yeah, the pile of wood's missing. Unfortunately, I've got a bigger pile of shit from here and down there. Oh, that's another thing. I've been reusing out of the pile of crap there for that deck of trailer. I've been using some wood to make some shelves. This shed project has cost me just over $100, I think. $20 for the lock and then the wood. Most of this has been reclaimed stuff. I've been doing this on the cheap, and I think I've accomplished it. So that's the update for today. Might have another one tomorrow. We'll see. Later days.